My favorite part of the day is sunset, just because after the rough and chaotic day, the world gives us a beautiful and peaceful sunset for us to enjoy and relax.